Hello guys, Southwest Flyer 345 here today. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, once again, but this time it's not going to be a model. It's actually, well, it's part of a model. It's actually a GSE for my airport, and I got this from Jet Set Models, and the box is right here. So yeah, we're going to see what's in here, and I'm very excited. And this is actually the first time I got something from Jet Set Models. But yeah, let's start opening this. Okay, so now I just ripped it open, and let me get what's in here, and I will show you what you can see in here is a Southwest Airlines GSE. I got Southwest Airlines because it's one of my favorite airlines, and this would be a good test on how GSE works from Jet Set Models. So yeah, so give me 1 minute and we'll go from there. So here's the GSE right now. So you can see that it comes with two air stairs, two tugs, a couple, about like maybe 8 cargo things, 3 trucks for the cargo, 3 belt loaders, a cargo bin, and 2 catering trucks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So got the Southwestern 37 Max 8 right there. I'm going to see how it looks with a air stair up to it. So give me 1 moment. So the air stairs work pretty dang well. And since this is Southwest, they only have the small ones that are low, not like the these ones from Gemini, like these ones that would be used for like wide body planes like the A350 or 767. Or it's not really used for narrow bodies, but going to put that one back. Yeah, it's really nice. I would really recommend it from Jet Set Malls, like where I got them from. I will be getting some more pretty soon, because I think these work pretty well. So yeah, so if you would get the Southwest one, you would get all of these things, belt loaders, cargo things, catering trucks, you name it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There are several others from Jet Set Models I will put up before I end this video. And yes, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just want to say that I hope you enjoyed the last few videos that I took when I was in San Francisco. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and right now I will put up the other Jet Set Models, because there are different airlines for it, and yeah, pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we are getting so close to 600. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.